Hello and thank you for joining us. Today we're focusing on the secrets to a successful blog and the top mistakes you're probably making. Everyone wants to become a top blogger, and yet this is something that will elude an awful lot of us. Why is it that some people never quite make it and others get to the top quickly? If you're one of those bloggers that hasn't made it yet, then chances are that you will know just how frustrating this is. It can feel a little like screaming into a void. You spend a huge amount of time working on amazing blog posts only to find that no one reads your site and your numbers just don't go up. Here's the bad news: it's not likely to change anytime soon. Being a top blogger takes time. And it isn't something that will happen for you overnight unless you are able to put a lot of key components in place. But that being said, you might find that you can improve your fortunes quickly and effectively if you are making one of these very common mistakes. Your site doesn't look professional. Let's face it, a lot of new blogs out there just don't look all that professional. Yours might well be one of them, and there's a good chance that you're not even aware of it. To be completely objective about our own work. So, go and take another hard look at your site and ask yourself honestly, is this as high quality as the very best blogs in your niche? Can yours compete? If the answer is no, then you need to go back to the drawing board and try again. Your site is too generic, either the way it looks, the way it reads, or both. The former mistake that people make is often a result of their passion. They love their site and they love writing, and they can't be bothered to focus on things like the way it looks. But this problem is a problem that comes from a lack of passion. That is simply that far too many sites are completely generic and they offer nothing that is unique or that is interesting. For example, how many times have you seen articles out there with titles like "How to Earn Money Online" or "How to Get Better Abs"? These are completely bland and unoriginal, unoptimized titles, and as a result, very few people will want to be bothered to click on them. We've all read these articles or some variation of them countless times before, and thus, we don't have any motivation to read them again. If this is you, it's time to rethink it and come back with a blog post that is absolutely unique and so exciting that if you were scrolling past it, you would have to click on it. Now do that again. And again. And then do it for every post you write. Next, you aren't posting regularly enough. Here's a massive mistake that a lot of people make. Thinking that they can post once every month and become a top blogger. It seems obvious. But if you want to become a full-time blogger, then you need to treat it like a full-time job. If you blog part-time, you will get part-time results. One of the main secrets to a successful blog starts with avoiding the top mistakes you're probably making. If you would like to learn how to become a top blogger and create a full-time, passive income, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything.